Hey everyone, Thomas coming to you from MGMClassicCars.com. Here I have a 1987 Chevrolet Monte Carlo SS Aerocoupe. This is a really nice car, guys and gals. This has the original, as you can see here, 5.0 305 engine. Here's your emissions control sticker showing the 5.0 with power steering, air conditioning, disc brakes, and automatic transmission. I will fire up the car in a little while. This has a original color is white on this vehicle, and the paint is super nice on the entire car, guys. Original Chevrolet wheels, as you can see there. It's got the Burgundy accent SS Monte Carlo stripes. Weather stripping appears to be all original. Trunk is solid with the spare tire. All the trim, glass, all in good condition, guys. Continuing here, it's got its factory maroon cloth interior, console car, as you can see, with the center console. Factory T-tops as well. The T-tops here are tinted. They're right here. Factory wheels. This has a clean Carfax and auto check reports. No accidents. We have a clean title in hand. And I would love to take you guys for a test drive, but I can't. I can't because we're frozen. It's snow here in Chicago, December 3rd. Door lips are nice door panels. You got the recline for the seats, the buckets, the tilt wheel, the cruise, the factory radio, and in the center console here is the piece there for your lock on your wheels. Nice interior, guys. All seat belts are intact. So just a couple known facts about this 87 Aerocoupe. This was a limited production, guys. This was NASCAR special with the sloped rear window. You see that there? Shorter deck lid and a flatter spoiler in the back, as you can see. It was the second and final year of the Aerocoupe, with only 6,052 of them produced in 1987. And obviously it features the 5.0 V8 engine, the 4-speed automatic transmission, and its unique fastback-like rear glass, guys. It's 75,254 miles. Lights work, lights off. You got your turn signals. Wipers. You got your rear defrost here. Radio. The factory EQ on there, guys. Got your air conditioning and your heat as well. All right, guys. I hope you enjoyed that. I wish I could have took you for a test drive, but obviously I can't due to the weather. This car was test driven before we purchased it, and everything does function on the car as I demonstrated to you, and the suspension does feel good going down the road, along with the, the brakes as well. So the MGM Buy It Now price, guys, is $32,995. That is a firm price for this car. Shop around, look around. It's probably the best price on the market, and that's if you can find an Aerocoupe in this condition. Financing is available with $3,500 down. You must have good credit. Your sales tax, delivery, and upgrades can be financed. Apply today on our website. You can text your zip code for a delivery quote. All the cars are sold in as-is condition. And we do welcome you to come over. We're 20 minutes from Chicago O'Hare Airport. We can show the cars by appointment only, so give me a call there. MGM Classic Cars has over 200 cars in stock that we own. We own all the cars. We really do not do any consignments unless it's a family friend or a favor. I'll be honest with you. So therefore, there's no inflated commissions. You guys can buy with confidence. We're 100% feedback on selling and buying on eBay as well. And we have over 500 five-star reviews, guys. And we would like to keep it that way. And that's why I say buy with confidence. Okay? If you guys have any additional questions, my name is Thomas. I'll be more than happy to answer any and all of your questions for you. So you can call or text me anytime. My number is 847-848-1850. Thanks you for watching MGM Classic Cars. We'll talk soon. Bye-bye.